Let's learn how to duplicate your enrollment periods, programs, and classes to make building your offerings much easier. To duplicate an enrollment period, click on the down arrow beside the enrollment period. Then select the cog icon to open up the settings. Click the duplicate icon. Then select duplicate to copy that enrollment period. Click Done when the duplication is finished. Then OK. To duplicate a program, go to the Programs page. Click the three dots beside the program. Then select Duplicate. Be sure to change the program options to differentiate the new program. Click Add to duplicate the program. To duplicate a class, go to the Classes page. Find the program to the left. To duplicate one or more classes in that program, select the Duplicate Classes button. Select the classes to duplicate. Then click the Duplicate button. Choose the program where you want the duplicated classes to go. Then click Confirm. Click Done when it's finished duplicating. To duplicate one class into the same program, click the down arrow beside the class. Then select the pencil icon. Click Duplicate at the top. Enter the name of the new class and any other information. Then click Done. And the class will be duplicated with the new information entered.